Hi guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Coral, and today we will be unbagging the April 2020 Glam Bag Plus. This is what the Glam Bag looks like this month. It's a nice kind of pastel green with these little flower fairies, and just going along with the theme, it looks like all the bags have this wooden keychain that says IPSY on it. See if I can get that focus. There's IPSY on the side. So this is what the bag looks like. It's a very pretty neutral bag. So let's get into this unboxing. So this is a list of all the products that I got this month, and let's dive right in. So the first product that I got was this Foxy Bay Foaming Glow Leave-In Conditioner Spray. So you're supposed to spray this in your hair after you wash it. It is a leave-in treatment that tames, frizzes, detangles, moisturizes, and helps you grow long and strong hair. And this retails for $18.95. So this is the first item that we got. The second item that we got in my Glam Bag is this Bloom Effects Dutch Dirt Mask. This is dirt clay mask, and this retails for $49. You're supposed to use this as a mask, or you can also use it for a quick exfoliant when you just daily with your routine. I can't speak today, sorry guys. So the other item we got is the Tarteist eyeliner, and this is a double eyeliner. So it has two ends. It has a felt tip and a crayon, and this retails for $24. The next item that we got is this Girl Lactic Jello Balm Gloss. Everything you thought you knew about lip balm, you're wrong. This jelly balm is anything but basic. This is a ultra nourishing, moisturizing, plus an ultra gloss looking for everybody. And this retails for $18. The last and final product we got is this Shayna B Miami makeup palette, and I got the eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice neutral palette. Very great neutral colors. You can make it with any kind of look. So those are the 8 shades that are included in this palette. And this palette retails for $20. So when we add up everything for what I got on my Glam Bag Plus, the total value was $129.95. So that is about almost $10 over the promised price. So everything I got in my IPSY Glam Bag for April 2020, I am very excited to try out. I am very excited to try this eyeshadow palette out. I love that they included a neutral palette. The other item I'm looking forward to is this Dutch Dirt Mask. I love masks, and I am happy I received this. And by the way, I don't think I mentioned, but this was my choice product. This was the Foxy Bay Flamingo Leave-In Conditioning Cream. So this is what I chose for my choice product.